This high-intensity colored LED light is ideal for use in mining applications as well as heavy equipment, hunting, boating, vehicle, military, and more. This light offers 14,790 lumens of output. With a 50,000-hour service life and 12 to 24 volt compatibility, this light provides operators with a rugged and powerful LED alternative that uses little power and can withstand rugged use in abusive conditions. This light is available in a spot or flood configuration. Color choices include red, amber, white, blue, and green. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.